We call it the Blue Planet, and it's the only one we've got. Our environment is fragile. Our creatures precious. There is one hair products company that cares. More than 3 decades of commitment to environmental sustainability, creating world-class vegan-approved hair preparations inspired by nature.
The De Lorenzo family's been looking after hair since 1930, really. We have a long track record of manufacturing hair care products for the industry.
We benchmark our products to the best, and usually we are better than the best on the market with plant-based ingredients.
It was 1987 when brothers Vincent, Anton and their sons decided to go back into the hair care industry. The decision came with a deep commitment to environmental sustainability.
We deliberately decided that we would formulate out any animal ingredients or animal-sourced ingredients, and at that time no one else was really doing that. But we took that on as an ethical stand.
Well, the vegan principles puts us in the pole position for where the world's going. It's where people like to be, and we feel we're there already.
Sydney 1930. And as the flapper era gives way to the emerging jazz age, brothers Vincent and Anton begin their involvement in hair care.
The two brothers were going to be professional violinists. The Great Depression came. The parents said, well, you better get a real job. And they became barbers' apprentices.
One thing led to another. And by the mid-40s, Vincent and Anton were running one of the country's biggest and most successful hairdressing salons in the heart of Sydney. They weren't happy with the performance of imported hair products, so a new addition emerged at the family home in Coogee.
A research and development laboratory and a little manufacturing area under their house. They started making preparations for their own use in their own salon.
Soon there was a factory producing products under the Delva label. Then a string of accolades, including recognition on national television.
Vincent De Lorenzo, sir, this is your life.
There was even an Order of Australia for Vincent, recognition for services to the hairdressing industry.
Probably the biggest one was the 2018 Hair Expo. The fathers, Vincent and Anton, won the Hall of Fame award, and they were known as the godfathers of the Australian hair care industry.
Today, De Lorenzo creates and manufactures products from its factory in Silverwater, Sydney. It starts here, in our own on-site laboratory, the only one of its type in the country. Customer suggestions and feedback from our salon customers are formulated here, then tested and developed to perfection in our own evaluation studio.
To have a research and development facility in-house with all of our manufacturing capability here, it's the engine room of what we do, and it's most important. We're working on products for today, tomorrow, next year and the future, and I think we have the best products available.
The result? Animal cruelty-free professional hair products based on De Lorenzo's unique formulas and philosophy. 4 natural balances for healthy, beautiful hair. From the self-sustaining 50 kilowatts of solar cells on the factory roof to the recycling program for the cardboard boxes at the end of the on-site packing line, De Lorenzo makes every effort to minimize its environmental footprint. There's water recycling for cooling our machines, reusable product packaging, and numerous other sustainability-oriented initiatives.
We are constantly looking at how we can improve our environmental footprint in what we do and how we do it.
The end result, official ISO International Quality Assurance Accreditation, Australian-made and GMP status, and formal recognition by Choose Cruelty Free of the company's animal-free research and manufacturing credentials.
Looking overseas now with our accreditation, we have the ability to focus on any market around the world. By having those certifications, people all over the world know that this company knows what they're doing and they do it well.
The best salon supplier relationships, a vital cog in De Lorenzo product development and sales, are recognised and rewarded through our Aspire program. Excellence at all levels is celebrated at special events like these.
Aspire strengthens the bond between us and the hairdressers, and it's very important.
It's the essence of what our company want to be. We want our Aspire clients to have the tools, products, techniques and materials they need to reach excellence in their business.
All of this stems not only from De Lorenzo's customers and products, but also the company's dedicated workforce. For them, working for an Australian-owned family business is more than just a job.
Our staff are fantastic. They're like family to us. We're very proud of them and they really do make it a family business.
We have people who've been here 15 years, 25 years. It seems like a job for life, but we think it's a good place to work.
World-class products made in Australia by Australians who care about sustainability.
Inspired by nature, because nature gives us the impetus and our reason for being here. We thank nature.